Welcome to the IT Dashboard, a new website enabling federal agencies and the general public to view details of federal information technology investments. As you enter the website, the homepage offers a quick glance at what types of information the IT Dashboard presents. The main area on your screen shows a quick glance at the federal IT portfolio on the left, while the right side dives into the financial and performance details about a specific agency or investment. Throughout the IT dashboard, each graph or visualization contains a link to allow the user to share or embed the chart in their own website, giving users direct access to the underlying data. Lower on the home page, you will find recent and interesting news and updates about the progress of investments and the availability of data. This data is presented as a text feed, as well as a numerical indicator reporting the progress of data entry or availability. The menu bar above displays the main sections of the IT dashboard: the Performance and Investments dashboards, Data Feed Access and Design tool, and the Visual Analytic tools. Let's dive into the heart and soul of the overall website, the agency and investment dashboards. This is the section of the website which reports the overall performance of every major investment in the IT portfolio in terms of cost performance, schedule performance, evaluation by agency CIO, and an overall score computed from those factors. This is the agency level view, which rolls up the statistics from an agency's entire portfolio of major investments. You can make the overall pie graph be a simple count of each investment's overall score, or weigh the size of each slice by the dollar size of each investment. Let's select an investment to look at more closely. By clicking on a segment of one of the rating graphics, we can browse all the investments falling into that category. If we select an investment, now we can see the investment dashboard. The large gauge on this page indicates the investment's overall rating, computed from the cost, schedule, and evaluation by agency CIO as indicated across the bottom of the dashboard. You can access detailed information about the investment, who's responsible for its performance, and links to further information, including the actual official Exhibit 300 hosted on the relevant agency's website. You can also search for information about the contracts awarded for the investment from usaspending.gov, look at milestone performance, or even provide feedback directly to the agency CIO. You can see exactly how the cost and schedule ratings are calculated. By clicking on the rating graphic, you can see the details about that particular rating. A green cost rating means that the actual costs of an investment's completed milestones have been close to the planned costs. As for the schedule rating, you can get a similar view of an investment's schedule performance. A green schedule rating indicates that the actual completion dates of this investment's milestones are close to the planned completion. Finally, the evaluation by agency CIO is a metric assigned by the agency CIO reflecting a number of criteria related to this investment. For details on what goes into the evaluation and to see a history of changes in the rating, click on the graphic itself. Now let's take a look at some of the tools the IT dashboard provides to help you become familiar with the entire IT portfolio. The analysis area offers rigorous visualization tools which allow you to dive deeply into the IT portfolio. Drawing on the data provided by each federal agency, you can visualize and animate up to 5 different variables describing the IT portfolio in a single chart. This enables users to better understand how the distribution of IT money has changed over time, how the budget of each agency compares to others, and many other interesting analytical questions. Bookmarks, directing users to highlighted examples of what kinds of questions can be answered by the motion chart, are available beneath the chart. Alternatively, you can use a visual tree map of the current year's IT portfolio to browse through the data using a by agency or by type of spending perspective. A tree map is like a visualization of a pivot table, allowing comparisons to be made between groupings of aggregated data. In this type of chart, the size of each rectangle indicates the total IT spending in that area, while each rectangle's color indicates the percent change in that area's spending from the previous year. By default, this view breaks down the entire IT portfolio by types of spending according to the Federal Enterprise Architecture Code for each investment. You can drill down to see the distribution of IT spending within health, for instance. For help with this tool, as for any page in the IT dashboard, just click the Help link to reveal more information. The IT dashboard also serves as a tool for agency CIOs to submit updates to their information. Approved users have access to an additional section of the website providing a comprehensive interface for submitting evaluations by agency CIO, updating milestone completion information, rebaselining, and other interactions. The IT dashboard is driven by data from the public Exhibit 300s and Exhibit 53s reported by each federal agency to OMB. The tools and interfaces contained on this website are intended to improve the visibility and accessibility of all of this public data. Over the weeks and months following its launch, additional features and refinements will be added. As agencies submit updates regarding their investments, more historical trends information will become available. To see more information about planned features, check out the link to upcoming features on the home page. Thanks for taking the time to view this video, and enjoy using the IT dashboard.